in the BSF DG has been removed with immediate effect. As far as the BSF DG, Nitin Agarwal, has been repatriated by the government, and Deputy Special DG also, who has been repatriated by the centre. Both have been sent back to the state cadre. This is a development that has now been reported. As far as the Union Home Ministry removing the Border Security Force Director General Nitin Agarwal and his Deputy Special DG West, sending them back to their respective state cadres with immediate effect, as the tenure of both of the officers was cut short and they were repatriated to their parent cadre. We have Priyank with us. Priyank, the reason what is being cited on part of this when it comes to action being taken on part of the government?
See, the appointment, this letter is only mentioning that the appointment of the Cabinet Committee has approved the proposal that they should be sent repatriated to their parent cadre. But looking at the recent incidents of infiltration in the western zone, this action has been taken. This has come as the spike in the terror activities in infiltration in the Jammu and Kashmir region, and which has led to 14 casualties of civilians, 14 casualties of security personnel, and there have been 24 encounters in this zone since July 2021. The terror-related infiltration has increased, and that is the reason because of which this major action has been taken by the Ministry of Home Affairs. We know it for the fact that BSF is the first line of defense on the borders of India. The BSF is deployed on the borders to stop infiltration, and in the second line, the Indian Army comes. Where the army is approximately 30 to 35 kilometers away from the bordering areas. So this is certainly been related to the major lapses taken on the BSF front, which has related to this major transfers of the DG rank officers and the special DG rank officers. So major step taken by the centre on the infiltration and the recent terror activities, which has improved in Jammu region.
All right, Priyank, thank you very much for the moment. There has been around 2.65 lakh personnel with the BSF guards at the Indian borders with Pakistan on the west and with Bangladesh on the east. With this, now when it comes to announcement that has been made by the government of India, with that we head into a